Zelle for faster transfers? Let's check Betterment's options. Ever needed to send some cash to a friend quickly? Maybe to split a dinner bill, pay back a loan, or send a little birthday surprise. In today's digital age, peer-to-peer, P2P, money transfer services like Zelle have become a popular solution. But what if you manage your money through a platform like Betterment? Can you use Zelle directly within Betterment for those speedy transactions? Let's dive into the world of Betterment and explore its functionalities when it comes to P2P transfers. We'll uncover whether Zelle is integrated with Betterment and explore some alternative solutions if it isn't. Understanding Betterment, investing made simple. Betterment is a robo-advisor platform designed to simplify investing. It offers automated investment strategies based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. With Betterment, you can invest for retirement, build a nest egg, or simply grow your savings over time. It's a great option for beginners or those who don't have the time or expertise to actively manage their investments. Beyond investing, Betterment checking. While Betterment is known for its investment tools, it also offers a checking account option called Betterment Checking. This combines the benefits of a traditional checking account with some investing perks. You can manage your everyday expenses and receive a Betterment Visa debit card for easy access to your funds. The key question, does Betterment have Zelle? Now, back to our initial question, can you use Zelle directly within Betterment for P2P transfers? The answer is no. Currently, Betterment doesn't offer in-app P2P money transfers, including Zelle. This means you can't directly send or receive money from friends and family through the Betterment platform. Alternative solutions for P2P transfers with Betterment. So, if Betterment doesn't have Zelle, what are your options for sending and receiving money quickly? Here are a few alternatives to consider. External P2P apps, popular services like Venmo, Cash App, and Zelle, if your friend uses a different bank that offers it, can still be your go-to options. The good news is Betterment Checking allows instant debit card transfers and deposits with these third-party apps. This means you can link your Betterment Visa debit card to these platforms and transfer funds seamlessly. Just keep in mind that individual transfer limits and potential fees might apply depending on the chosen app. Traditional bank transfers, while not as fast as P2P apps, you can always initiate an ACH bank transfer from your Betterment Checking account to your friend's bank account. This method typically takes 1 to 3 business days to complete. Betterment Checking Joint Account. If you frequently need to transfer money between yourself and a partner, consider opening a Betterment Checking Joint Account. This allows both of you to manage a shared checking account with your Betterment Visa debit card, making it easier to split expenses or transfer funds instantly between yourselves. Choosing the right option for you. The best P2P transfer option for you depends on your specific needs. If speed is the priority, linking a third-party P2P app to your Betterment Visa debit card might be ideal. For larger transfers, a traditional bank transfer might be more suitable. And if you frequently share finances with someone, a Betterment Checking Joint Account could be a game changer. The future of P2P transfers with Betterment. While Betterment currently lacks a built-in P2P transfer system, it's always possible they might integrate Zelle or another similar service in the future. Keeping an eye on Betterment's updates and announcements is a good way to stay informed about any potential changes to their features. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.